Picture this. It's 2 a.m. and your phone rings. You fumble to pick it up, half asleep, only to hear the words that send a chill down your spine. There's been an accident. Your spouse is in the hospital. In that instant, your entire world shifts. Your heart races as you rush out the door, mind spinning with worry. You don't think about finances in that moment. You think about them later, when the dust settles, when the hospital bills start piling up, when the salary stops coming in, when reality hits like a second wave of disaster. I've seen this happen too many times. I'm Jiten Modi, and for over 15 years, I've helped families prepare for life's unexpected turns. The hardest conversations I have aren't with those who planned ahead, they're with those who didn't. With people who believed health insurance was enough, only to realize too late that it wasn't. Take Raj, for example. He was a meticulous planner. His wife's accident was devastating, but their health insurance covered the hospital bills perfectly. Yet, as weeks turned into months, he faced a new kind of stress. The mortgage was due. Their children's school fees needed to be paid. Groceries, electricity, daily expenses, none of these stopped just because his wife couldn't work. That's when he realized the truth most people miss. Health insurance is like having a roof over your house. Essential, yes. But a roof alone won't protect you in a storm. You need walls too. That's what personal accident insurance does. It fills the gap that health insurance leaves behind. Most people feel secure with their insurance plans. They assume their family is fully protected. I wish that were true. I really do. But medical bills are only the beginning. What about your lost income? Your household expenses? Your commitments? These are the cracks in your financial shield, the vulnerabilities no one talks about until they're exposed. Let me explain this simply. Imagine you were unable to work for 6 months. Or a year. Or what if an accident changed your ability to earn forever? Could your savings sustain you? Could your family maintain their lifestyle without your income? That's the question we need to face, not out of fear, but out of responsibility. I remember meeting Priya, a successful small business owner. She had everything planned, good savings, excellent health insurance, a thriving business. But when a road accident left her bedridden for 3 months, the reality was harsh. Who would run her business? Who would pay her staff? Who would cover her household expenses? Health insurance took care of the hospital bills, but that was just one part of the battle. She needed personal accident insurance to replace her lost income. It became her financial safety net, keeping her business afloat while she healed. Most people assume financial hardship after an accident comes from medical bills. But the truth is, it's the loss of income that causes the most damage. Samir learned this the hard way. His accident left him with a permanent limp. His health insurance paid for his surgery and physiotherapy, but it couldn't help him when he had to switch to a lower-paying desk job. His personal accident insurance, however, stepped in to bridge that gap, ensuring his lifestyle didn't crumble overnight. I understand the skepticism. Is this just another insurance policy trying to sell fear? I get it. But this isn't about fear. It's about freedom. Freedom to heal without the crushing stress of unpaid bills. Freedom to recover without worrying about your children's future. Freedom to focus on your health instead of scrambling for financial survival. Think of personal accident insurance as a silent guardian, stepping in when life throws its hardest punches. When Meera's husband suffered a spinal injury, their health insurance covered the treatment. But it was their personal accident insurance that paid for their children's education, their daily expenses, and their mortgage. It allowed them to maintain dignity and security even in the toughest of times. I can't tell you how many times I've had families come to me after an accident, saying, "I wish I had known about this earlier." I don't want you to be one of them. That's why I'm telling you now, before it's too late. And here's what surprises most people: personal accident insurance is one of the most affordable policies you can buy. For less than the cost of a weekend dinner or your monthly coffee budget, you can secure your family's financial future. It's not an expense, it's an investment in peace of mind. Think about what you're really protecting. It's not just about money. It's about keeping your children's education intact even in a crisis. It's about ensuring you don't lose your home because an accident prevented you from working. It's about making sure your family doesn't have to make heartbreaking choices because of an unexpected event. The question is not whether an accident will happen. The question is, if it does, will you be ready? You have a choice today. Not out of fear, but out of love and responsibility. And I want to make that choice easier for you. If you're not sure where to start, I have 3 ways for you to take action. First, book a free clarity session with me. In just one conversation, we'll analyze your current coverage, identify gaps, and build a plan that ensures your family is truly protected. No fluff, no unnecessary add-ons, just the right protection for your specific needs. Second, download my free ebook, Complete Guide to Personal Insurance Planning. It's a step-by-step roadmap to building a strong financial shield against life's uncertainties. Every question you have about insurance, this guide answers it. Third, join our private WhatsApp community. This is where I share exclusive financial insights, real-life case studies, and practical advice on protecting your wealth. Your number stays private, but your knowledge expands. Accidents don't come with warnings. But financial devastation doesn't have to follow them. The right decisions, made today, can protect everything that matters to you tomorrow. Raj, Priya, Samir, Meera, these aren't just stories. They're reminders. The difference between financial security and financial ruin often comes down to a single decision. The decision to be prepared. So let me ask you, if you couldn't work tomorrow, how long would your savings last? A few months? A year? 5 years? Personal accident insurance ensures you never have to answer that question in real life. The time to get personal accident insurance isn't after an accident. It's now. When you have a choice. Let's talk about securing your family's financial future today. Because some decisions are too important to postpone. Think of it this way, you're not just buying insurance. You are buying the freedom to recover without financial stress. The freedom to protect your family's lifestyle. The freedom to face life's uncertainties with confidence. Take that first step today. Your family's security is too important to leave to chance.